Assalamualaikum guys, I welcome you all to my channel. So today our topic of discussion will be again on simple magnetism and magnetic fields. And today first of all we are going to discuss about direction of magnetic fields. So to understand this you have to visualize a lot of things. Suppose I place a marked bar magnet here, which is I have already told you in previous video that it is the only syllabus, it is the only magnet included in our syllabus which has a north pole here and a south pole here. Now I place three different magnets with their north pole facing the north pole of this bar magnet. Therefore, since law of magnetism says that unlike poles repel each other, therefore these north poles will face a force of repulsion and will be pushed apart. Similarly, if I place north pole of these three magnets facing the south pole of this magnet, I'll be just like, wait a minute. Sorry for interruption. Now let's focus here. So this south pole will exert a force of attraction in this direction towards these magnets. Since unlike poles attract each other, therefore the direction in which these the north pole of these magnets are facing the force is the same as the direction of magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is same as the direction of force experienced by north poles. Hence, magnetic fields are directed from north towards south pole. Our second topic of discussion today is a magnetic compass. So this is such an important device that in sometimes in examiner test from the portion of simple magnetism only this part, that is of magnetic compass. So it is a device that is used to detect, yeah, instrument that is used to detect magnetic fields, direction of magnetic fields. So it's an instrument, or you can say device, that is used to detect magnetic fields. It consists of number one, a compass needle. Number two, its casing. And number three, a pivot. Basically, if I draw a rough sketch of this magnetic compass, It's like a circular dial, just as of a watch, with a needle directed to in the center. There are directions marked north, south, east, and west, and this magnet is used to detect the direction of magnetic field. Now, if we write the details of these, let's write down the details of these three main components. Compass needle. It itself is a permanent magnet, but a weak permanent magnet made of steel. Now the question is why it is made of steel, why not of iron? The reason is we have studied an induced magnetism in our previous video, that iron is a soft magnet and it magnetizes and demagnetizes quickly. Therefore, if we place iron in the magnet, it will get magnetized quickly in the uh, magnetic field, and we will not be able to judge properly what is the direction of magnetic field. Since steel is a hard magnet and takes time to magnetize and demagnetize, we will get enough time to judge the direction of magnetic field. Secondly, we have to discuss about its case. It's made of a non-magnetic material like aluminium or plastic. And we have already discussed in our previous video that non-magnetic material has fixed dipoles, which means that if it is brought close to a permanent magnet or in a magnetic field, it will not respond. इसका फायदा ये होता है कि परमानेंट मैग्नेट में ये जो नीडल है ये फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्जन केस की वजह से फील नहीं करती और ये डायल में घूमना शुरू नहीं हो जाती ड्यू टू जिसकी वजह से इसका कोई इफेक्ट इस नीडल पे नहीं आता. The third thing that we are going to discuss is pivot. It is used to attach the needle and make it hanging in air. इसका फायदा ये है पिवट का कि पिवट के थ्रू हम नीडल को अटैच करते हैं और उसको हवा में हैंग होने देते हैं ताकि मैग्नेटिक नीडल आराम से मैग्नेट में रोटेट कर सके. Now our third topic of discussion will be magnetic field pattern around a marked bar magnet. सिंस मैं आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ कि नॉर्थ पोल की वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस ड्रॉ होती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल जिस तरह मैंने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया था कि अगर मैं एक मैग्नेट के नॉर्थ पोल के आगे दूसरे मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल रख दूँ तो वो जो दूसरे मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल है वो फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्जन एक्सपीरियंस करेगा. इसी तरह मैं इसी मैग्नेट के अराउंड के साउथ पोल के अराउंड नॉर्थ पोल रख दूँ दूसरे मैग्नेट का तो वो नॉर्थ पोल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन फील करेगा. इसीलिए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स आर डायरेक्टेड आउटवर्ड्स ऑफ द नॉर्थ पोल एंड डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स साउथ पोल. Therefore, if we need to draw magnetic field pattern, we will follow these steps. This is a north pole and this is a south pole. First of all, you need to understand that the first magnetic field line will direct outside of the north pole from its center and similarly direct towards the south pole because it is directed from north pole towards south pole. Secondly, you have to mark these small perpendicular lines on the magnet and a perpendicular line on the page to connect the magnetic fields. पहली मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कुछ इस तरह बनाई जाएगी. सिमिलरली दूसरी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कुछ इस तरह बनाई जाएगी एंड नीचे आके भी इसी तरह मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स बनाई जाएंगी. Now we will direct the lines like these outward from here in these both directions. And direct these two lines from north to south pole. Let me rectify it. अब हो सकता है आपको मेरी डायग्राम अजीब सी लग रही है क्योंकि मैं अभी कुछ कर नहीं सकता क्योंकि मैं बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ और यू कैन ड्रॉ इट परफेक्टली ऑन योर पेपर using scales and all the other geometrical instruments. The characteristics are these. The magnetic field is from north to south pole. Outside magnet and from north south to north pole inside magnet. Now our last topic of discussion for today's video is experiment to sketch magnetic field patterns. So we are going to now cover experiment to sketch magnetic field patterns around a marked bar magnet. So first of all, let's list down the apparatus we need for this experiment. First of all, you need a drawing board. Secondly, you need a white card sheet. Then you need a marked bar magnet. And finally, you need a small magnetic compass. अब रीजन यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ये राइज होता है कि स्मॉल मैग्नेटिक कंपास क्यों ले रहे हैं। उस पर तो हो सकता है हमें रीडिंग करने में मुश्किल हो, विजुअलाइजेशन करने में मुश्किल हो, हमें तो लार्ज मैग्नेटिक कंपास लेना चाहिए। तो रीजन ये कि स्मॉल मैग्नेटिक कंपास एज कंपेयर टू लार्ज मैग्नेटिक कंपास ज्यादा सेंसिटिव होता है, देयरफॉर वो जो है ज्यादा जल्दी रिस्पॉन्ड करता है एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को, उससे ज्यादा जल्दी लिंक्ड हो जाता है, ज्यादा जल्दी डायरेक्शन देता है एज कंपेयर टू लार्ज मैग्नेटिक कंपास। ड्राइंग बोर्ड इसलिए चाहिए क्योंकि हमें आउटलाइंस बनानी है, उस पर मार्क बार मैग्नेट रखे। व्हाइट कार्ड शीट इसलिए, ये हमने जब वेव्स में रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट का एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था तब भी ये किया था कि हमें आउटलाइंस उस एक्सपेरिमेंट में बहुत बनानी थी, जिसकी वजह से हमने व्हाइट कार्ड शीट ली थी। और मार्क बार मैग्नेट तो हमारी जरूरत है। तो वी आर नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस स्टेप्स which are we are going to in which we are going to complete this experiment. Wait a second. First of all, place the marked bar magnet on the card sheet, on the drawing board. Paste it with white card sheet and draw its outline. Now the reason to draw its outline is that हो सकता है कि हमसे accidentally magnet displace हो अपनी main position से, therefore we have to keep the magnet at its original place जहाँ पे हमने start किया था experiment. Step 2 is place a magnetic compass near the North Pole and wait until it's get aligned. Step 3 is once it's get aligned, mark a dot near its arrowhead Step number 4 is that shift the compass at the new position at the previously marked dot. Step 5 is repeat the experiment. Repeat the steps, above stated steps until positions are marked till South Pole, and finally repeat the experiment below the magnet. Then you can join all the points with a pencil to mark the line of magnetic field lines. Now finally we are going to discuss properties of marked bar magnet. Properties. Strongest magnetic fields are where distance between magnetic fields are less, that is near the poles. There, that's why a marked bar magnet faces most of its magnetic forces near the poles, and the weakest magnetic fields are where the distance between the marked bar, between the magnetic lines, वो, कौन सी line है भाई? Between the field lines are less, are greatest. That's it from my side. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.